Tammy Slaton has come a long way on her journey from life-threatening obesity to becoming a healthier and more independent version of herself. The 1000 lb Sisters star, who once faced dire warnings from doctors about her future, has inspired millions with her dramatic transformation in both her physical health and emotional growth. However, just as fans began to celebrate her newest milestone, qualifying for skin removal surgery, a new and potentially dangerous concern has emerged: her continued use of vaping. As viewers follow her on TLC's hit show and through her social media updates, questions are swirling about whether Tammy is truly ready to give up vaping for good. And more importantly, if she doesn't, what will it mean for her long-awaited skin removal surgery? After losing over 400 pounds following her weight loss surgery, Tammy finally found herself in a position to address the excess skin that remains on her body. For many patients who undergo massive weight loss, excess skin can be painful, cause hygiene issues, and deeply affect self-esteem. Skin removal surgery is not just cosmetic, it's a vital part of the full recovery process for people like Tammy. But such surgeries require optimal health and a commitment to quitting risky habits like smoking or vaping. According to several bariatric experts, nicotine constricts blood vessels, significantly increasing the risk of complications during and after surgery. This includes delayed wound healing, infection, or even surgical failure. For someone like Tammy, who has already defied the odds, taking another risk isn't just inadvisable, it could be dangerous. Fans have expressed deep concern after spotting Tammy vaping in recent TikTok videos and live streams. Although she has previously claimed to have quit smoking traditional cigarettes, it appears that her dependency may have shifted to vaping instead. While vaping is often marketed as a safer alternative, the health risks, especially for someone preparing for major surgery, are real and serious. Even nicotine-free vapes contain chemicals that can irritate the lungs and affect recovery. Doctors typically require a complete halt to vaping or smoking for several weeks prior to surgery, and any sign of relapse could lead them to delay or cancel the procedure. Social media users have taken to Reddit and Instagram to voice their fears. "I'm rooting for Tammy, but if she doesn't quit vaping, it's like she's throwing away all the progress she's made," one fan wrote. Another commented, "Does she realize her life is still on the line? She's come too far to backslide now." Others have called on Tammy's family, especially sister Amy Slaton and brother Chris Combs, to step in and support her in quitting entirely. Having seen Tammy in a medically induced coma just 2 years ago, fans and loved ones know just how fragile her recovery really is. Tammy herself has addressed vaping in the past, claiming in several interviews and social media comments that she was working on it, or had cut back. However, with skin removal surgery looming, cutting back may no longer be good enough. Doctors usually require full abstinence from all nicotine products, often confirmed through blood or urine tests before scheduling the procedure. Any signs of nicotine in the system could disqualify a patient temporarily or permanently, depending on the severity of the case. For Tammy, this moment could be the difference between completing her transformation or facing another frustrating setback. The reality TV star has been under an intense microscope since her debut on 1000 lb Sisters. Her struggles with food addiction, depression, mobility, and respiratory failure have all played out on screen. But what has made Tammy's story resonate with so many is her resilience. Despite the criticism and the public nature of her health battles, she's persisted, checking into rehab, staying committed to therapy, and taking control of her life in ways many once thought impossible. That's why the concern over vaping feels especially urgent. It's not just about avoiding a bad habit, it's about safeguarding everything she's worked for. Tammy's skin removal surgery has been a highly anticipated moment not just for her but for viewers who have followed her since season 1. It represents closure to a chapter of pain and the beginning of a new life. With her current body size dramatically reduced and her mobility greatly improved, she's reached a place she once thought she never could. Yet, with that progress comes pressure. Maintaining her health, keeping her mental wellness in check, and staying nicotine-free are now the new battles. As many former addicts will attest, the end of one struggle often marks the beginning of another. Insiders close to the show have hinted that producers are very aware of the vaping issue and are pushing Tammy to be transparent on camera. Whether this will be a major storyline in the next season remains to be seen, but viewers are likely to demand answers. The stakes are too high, and with Tammy's growing influence, her choices send messages to many others on similar health journeys. Her fans look up to her, not just for her transformation but for her honesty in facing flaws. If she can beat obesity, can she also overcome addiction to vaping? Medical professionals following her case have weighed in online, urging her to seek support if she is struggling to quit. Vaping might feel like a small vice compared to what Tammy's overcome, but medically, it's a huge red flag ahead. Ad of surgery, said one bariatric nurse on TikTok. It compromises healing and increases risk of infection. Surgeons are very strict about this, and rightly so. The question now is whether Tammy can summon the same discipline and determination she used to beat obesity to finally break free from nicotine. Her fans are hopeful, but also wary. Relapse is part of recovery for many, but at this stage, Tammy may not have room for error. Skin removal surgery is a time-sensitive procedure in many cases. As weight stabilizes, the window for optimal surgery can be narrow. Waiting too long, or failing to meet health benchmarks, can mean missing that window altogether. Tammy has often spoken about her dreams for the future: traveling, starting a family, living without judgment. But those dreams require her to be at her healthiest. The freedom she so desperately sought, freedom from machines, from ridicule, from immobility, hinges on her continuing to fight for herself every day. Vaping may seem like a small battle compared to everything she's already conquered, but it's a battle with real consequences. Some fans believe Tammy is ready to let it go for good. In recent TikTok videos, she appears to be more focused, centered, and aware of the stakes. "I don't want to go back to that place," she recently said in a now-deleted live stream, referring to her darkest days in the hospital. "I've got things I still wanna do. I'm not finished yet." Those words gave hope to many, but whether she can translate intention into action remains to be seen. Tammy's next step will be crucial. If she can quit vaping completely and maintain her health improvements, she's on track to finally undergo skin removal surgery, a milestone that could mark the end of her weight loss journey and the start of a new era. But if she continues to vape, even occasionally, she risks being sidelined once again, this time by her own choices. The road ahead isn't easy. Addiction, whether to food, nicotine, or emotional triggers, doesn't disappear overnight. But Tammy has already proven that she's capable of miracles. The question now isn't whether she can do it, but whether she will. With the love of her family, support from her medical team, and encouragement from fans around the world, Tammy Slaton still has a chance to finish her transformation story strong. And if she chooses to finally ditch vaping for good, that might just be the last piece of the puzzle she needs to complete her comeback. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.